Mastering meatloaf, timing and temperature.
Hello, food enthusiasts. Today, we'll be uncovering one of the core secrets to perfecting a traditional dish, the meatloaf. Our main focus? Finding out the average cooking time for a meatloaf at 375 degrees Fahrenheit.
What is the ideal temperature for baking meatloaf?
Before diving into the cooking time, it's crucial to understand that the ideal baking temperature for meatloaf is often set to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is just right. It's hot enough to ensure that the meatloaf cooks thoroughly, but not too hot that it burns on the outside before the inside is fully cooked.
The average cooking time for meatloaf at 375 degrees Fahrenheit.
Now that we know the right temperature, let's get to the main topic, the average cooking time. For a 2-pound meatloaf, baked at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, you're generally looking at about 1 hour to 1 hour and 15 minutes. Remember, this is an average estimate and actual cooking times can vary based on factors like the exact size and shape of the meatloaf, the specific recipe used, and differences between individual ovens.
How do I know when my meatloaf is done?
The best way to determine whether your meatloaf is done is to check its internal temperature using a meat thermometer. According to USDA guidelines, the internal temperature of cooked ground meat should reach 160 degrees Fahrenheit to be considered safe for consumption. This is crucial as it ensures that all harmful bacteria are killed, making your meatloaf safe to eat. And there you have it. Your roadmap to achieving the perfect meatloaf every time. With your oven set to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, an average 2-pound meatloaf should be ready in about 1 hour to 1 hour and 15 minutes. But remember, the golden rule is to check the internal temperature, ensuring it hits the safe mark of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Happy cooking, everyone, and here's to many flavorful meatloaves in your future.